Hello guys, welcome to Crafting Brain. You may be searching for some free data science course on YouTube and maybe I can appear on your recommendation also. So what we have bring to you guys, we have bring to you complete data science course for absolutely free for you. And what we are going to provide into this course, you guys are going to go through with data cleaning process, with data pre-processing process, with EDA, with the data visualization, with machine learning model. All these kind of thing we are going to do into this free data science course. And at the end, what you guys will receive, you guys will also able to receive the free certification for it, but you guys have to follow some step for it. At the end, you guys have to give a small quiz after the final video will be released, and then you will be getting a free certification course, free certification. Okay, so this entire process you guys need to follow and you will be able to get a free certification in data science. But what I wanted you guys to focus, please focus on to the content. You will be definitely getting some good insight from these content, and the videos will be released on alternate days at a specific time. So please stay tuned with us and learn a lot, and happy journey into this course guys.